Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to link Amazon account on Ring app. So to get started, let's open Ring app. Make sure you have already downloaded Ring app on your device. Now you can see this kind of interface when you open your Ring app. So here on top left corner you can see 3 bar. Click on it. It will navigate you to this interface where you will get many options. So go to account settings. It will navigate you to this interface. In order to link Amazon account on Ring app, go to link your Amazon account and then tap on agree and continue. Here enter your password and then tap on verify and continue. Now it will navigate you to Amazon account interface. So here enter your email address or phone number and enter your Amazon password and then tap on sign in button. So in this way you can link Amazon account on your Ring app, on your Ring account. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for